you know, sometimes it just pays to play it safe. I haven't done anything to this mud motor since it quit on me the last video I put out. I figured I'd play it safe today and come to the lake where there's not, you know, where I don't get caught up in something that's gonna take me all night to get out of. $4 launch fee for about an hour's worth of play, maybe. Maybe I can stay out here longer than that. We'll see. Should I lick it? No. It still won't stick. Get in there. Okay, we got our $4. We got our ticket. We're good to go for an afternoon. What we're gonna do, we're gonna put this in the water. Like I said, I haven't done anything to it since it quit on me in the river in a bad spot, rain and everything. But I want to get out here and test the coil and just do a few tests on it if I can. And we're gonna just run it a little while and get it hot and switch it off if it don't quit before that. Check a few things, and I got some parts at the house to put on it, so I didn't want to put that on there until I maybe determine what might be going on with it. But I got to put a date. It's today's date. I don't have a pen. I mean, for real, I gotta find the ink pen. This is a pretty shallow boat ramp, so you got to get way on out there. It's pretty sandy, so yeah. I didn't want to get my feet wet, but I'm probably fitting to get them wet anyways, so I got to take my shoes off now after I park the truck. I mean, that was pretty good. It's not going to run real good right now because it wasn't running the other day. We're just going to run it a little bit, see if I can get it hot, and we're going to switch it off and see what happens. Okay, I forgot to tell you where we're at. We're at Lake Tholocco on Front Rucher Alabama military base. It's a really nice fishing lake. I've been out here doing some bass tournaments before. There's some good fishing out here, but this is a really stumpy lake in the north end up here. I mean, really stumpy. They planted pine trees and flooded it, so yeah, that's what we're dealing with. There's usually a lot of lily pads, but we're gonna go on up here, and I don't want to get too far up the lake before we see what's gonna happen with this thing first. So we're gonna ride around a minute and just check it out, and I'll show y'all how stumpy this lake is. It's really stumpy. So I hope you can hear me, but we'll show you in a second. let it sit there and idle, putting it in and out of the water, and just gave it an opportunity to quit, and it did, because I think I might have just choked it off, kind of just. But it don't, you know, it don't run like perfect when it's when you're trying to idle like that. The whole time I was idling, so it's good and hot. We've been out here, you know, 15-20 minutes just riding around in circles, running back and forth, letting y'all see a little bit of the lake, see what it's all about. I don't know if you could hear me before I was going there, but I am at Lake Tholocco, which is on Front Rucher, Alabama. So yeah, I've been fishing here on fishing tournaments before, been kayak fishing here numerous times. It's a great fishery, really. It is on a military base, but you know, it's not too bad. You can get a visitor pass. Now, I don't know exactly how that works, but you would have to call, you know, the visitor center and find out exactly how that works. I do have a pass to get on here. I work out here, but let's give it a try and see if this thing will crank while it's good and hot. I don't know what to think of it. It's running great. I'm losing a little fuel out of the bowl right there. It's got a little leak around that bowl seal. I knew it wasn't sealed up too good, but I think it's got a little tear in it. But that's an easy fix. But I'm at a loss right now. It did backfire on me when I tried to crank it a minute ago. So I've got some parts for it at the house. Came in this week, and we may try to swap them out. I got a basic carburetor. Got a new coil pack for it, and I was going to check the coil if it acted up on me, but it's not acting up on me. It's cranking right off the bat. You know, I have to choke it. That might be a carburetor problem, I'm thinking. I'm going to ride around a little bit more out here, you know, try it a few more times, switch it off, and crank it back up and see what happens. But it's a beautiful lake, man. I didn't bring no fishing pole or nothing because I didn't want to tempt myself to fish, because I've caught some pretty decent fish out here. So yeah, it's a nice place to fish. They've got cabins you can rent. They have a playground, all kinds of stuff over there. They even built a lodge type place right there, and they have an RV park right up there. I mean, they offer a lot here on this little lake right here. They have a marina. Now, I don't know if you need to be military or not. You might want to call and check on that. I think it used to be that you had to have a military ID or some sort of pass to rent out here, because this is a military installation. But yeah, bring your own boat. Shoot, come out here and go riding. They go tubing. Now, the tubing area is not very big. It's this area that I'm sitting right in the middle of it almost. It's not a big tubing area, and you can only go one way. They have some regulations, some rules you got to follow, just like on the highway when you get caught speeding. But anyway, I won't go there. But yeah, they have a nice little place right here. If I was on the river, this thing would already be quit by now. I gotta use two hands here. Hold tight. Okay, this might be what we want. Okay, this might be what we want. Kinda, sorta, not really, but yeah, let's I should have brought a longer screwdriver. Okay, I seen one spark, a little small one, and then it disappeared. No spark after that. See, it's right there. I seen one spark, and that was it. So Well, what does that tell me? My coil's gone bad? That really kind of helps my feelings. Kind of does, kind of don't. But I mean, I do have one to go in it. So yeah, we'll try that. So, but now we have a problem. I mean, it's just a minor problem. I've got a paddle, okay? I've also got a trolling motor. But we're floating away from the truck. But hey, at least we're not in the river. At least we're not in the river. We can deal with this. Okay, I think my coil may be going bad. It appeared to be I didn't have a spark every time I turned it over, so we're going to change the coil. But I mean, it's running okay. It's not running the best in the world, but I think the new carburetor too will help it a little bit. But that was fun. That was a good little ride out here on Lake Tholocco. There's some stumps up in the north end, so if y'all go up in the north end, be careful. Oh, the old John boat took a beating. So yeah, I was hoping one of them wouldn't stick up through the bottom because they're pretty stiff. I mean, they didn't break off with you. So we're gonna go home and work on it and do a few things to it and see if we can't help the old girl out a little bit. So yeah, appreciate y'all watching. We'll see you soon on the water. Bye now.